Now let's get a live check of the roads with meteorologist Victoria Wisniewski there live in Tracker 8. Victoria, how is it looking at this hour as it continues to come down?
Hey Colleen, yes, we are seeing some pretty deteriorating road conditions. We are going to take a look at what you can see in front of us with Tracker 8. We are on 95 North right now, and we are seeing a couple vehicles moving in throughout this afternoon. Now you'll notice speeds are reduced, so it is important that as we head throughout the next couple hours that you do keep in mind that you're only looking to go no faster than 45 miles per hour as we continue throughout this longer duration storm. You can actually see some of the cars in front of us are going probably a little faster than what you would like, because our vehicle right now is going at 40 miles per hour. So keep this in mind, that this is certainly what is going to most likely keep you safe. As Colleen has mentioned, there have already been several accidents in the York County area, so keep that in mind. Give the plows their room, and as we head throughout 4, 5, 6 p.m., this is when the heavier bands are going to be moving through, which will be reducing the visibility even more and deteriorating these road conditions. Right now you can see that we do see a little bit more of the pavement, but the snow is going to continue piling up, and we are going to be looking at most of that accumulation to be in areas of the Lakes region and even further south in York County.